How do eye exercises and blue light get along? Let's talk about blue light, the bad guy of the screen world. You know the stuff beaming out of your phone like it's trying to turn your eyes into fried eggs? It's like every time you check your email, binge your favorite show, or scroll through endless TikToks, blue light is out here trying to make your eyeballs tap out. Lucky for us, we got some eye workouts that are ready to help. Eye exercises like regular blinking, palming, regular eye relaxation, your eyes desperately needs. So let's talk about how eye exercises can help your eyes to survive screen time. Blinking, the eye equivalent of a water break during long run. You know that thing your eyes are supposed to do automatically, blinking, but we forget. Blinking helps keep your eyes moist, refreshed, and best of all, it gives your vision a tiny vacation from that bright blue glow. You should aim to blink every 1 second while staring at a screen. It's worth it. When you blink regularly, you are basically giving your eyes a mini power up, kind of like hitting the refresh button on your browser, but for your vision. Give your eyeballs a break and blink like your eyesight depends on it. I work out that doesn't involve running. Here's a fact that's gonna blow your mind. Staring at the screen for hours isn't good for you. Shocking, I know. But fear not. The solution is simple, and no, it doesn't involve quitting your job and living in the forest without Wi-Fi. It's just looking away from the screen every 1 minute to keep your eye focusing working. Think of it as quick eye muscle stretch and way to keep your eye muscle in shape. This is like the cool down for your eyes after they've been bench pressing all that screen time. So every time your phone asks, are you still watching? Take a break, look out at the window. Palming, eye version of weekends. Ever heard of palming? It's a relaxation technique for your eyes, and let me tell you, your eyes will be appreciated for this after a full day of blue light exposure. All you have to do is to rub your hands together until they warm, close your eyes, and gently cup your palms over them. It's like tucking your eyeballs into a bed for a much needed nap. No, really, this helps reduce blue light exposure well, blocking out the light completely. It's a simply quick way to give your eyes some peace and quiet while reducing eye strain. Improving your eye focus, clarity and eye health with natural eye exercises. Join Eyesight Academy course now. Eye exercises versus blue light, a battle of the ages. So how do eye exercises interact with blue light? Your overworked eyes going head to head with that glowing phone screen. And here's the twist, eye exercises win. By blinking regularly, taking breaks and using techniques like palming, you're giving your eyes the tools they need to survive in a blue light. So the next time your screen starts to feel like it's frying your retinas, don't panic, just blink. Take a break, do some palming, and let your eye exercises work their magic. Your eyes will thank you, and who knows, you might even start to see the world a little more clearly. Just remember, blue light may be strong, but your exercises are stronger.